the extreme
That's a
few.
long time ago.
Still now. He's one of the few that represented Thailand on all levels, fighting anybody and everybody. And most of the people he fought were also over his weight. People don't know this about his fights and everything, but most of the people, especially the foreigners, all the big fights, the guys were not the same weight. Coban was also on a smaller weight. But he's a living legend, known for his left hand knockout, Superman. And there's little to say about him because there's so much already written in the history books about Coban. So Coban, two-time Lumpini champion, 9-time world international champion, Muay Thai champion, plus, etc., etc., etc. It's too much, it really is, it's too much. But it's an honor, I think, for all of us here in the West Coast, in the home of Muay Thai, the North Hollywood Muay Thai Academy, which is the oldest academy in the country, run and owned by Kupa, who's been like an uncle to all of us, a godfather to all of us, always helping whoever was in need of Muay Thai. Anybody from Thailand, any champion, anybody from Thailand, anybody from here, always Kupa, always put his arm around us and took care of us. And Coban is a fine example of that. And now he runs the best gym in New York City. So for him to be here, it's a great honor. Coban, thanks so much. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thanks for coming.
I feel like I come back home.
Yeah.
So, Pop, and my own brother, to take care of me, take care, to fight everyone who became here, come here, you take care of. So, I don't know what to say again. It's everything is in here between I and him, and then they can like my home over here. I start from here until I move out. So I don't know what to say again.
And one thing, in Lumpini Stadium, in the monuments at Lumpini Stadium, amongst the officials, and on the photographic section, which will be in the new Lumpini Stadium, Coban Loxam is considered a master of the top 10 most famous Muay Thai fighters of all time inside Lumpini Stadium. Never forget that. That's a special one. A lot of people don't know. I don't even think you knew that. But your pictures there, Yeah, they love so much your pictures.